guys, so today's actually the very last day on my 3-week training. Nice fancy stuff. So here's my last set with 160. Everything went well. I finished my...
If you want a bigger upper chest, watch this. Save this and come back stronger.
But accidentally packed one of his stringers in my bag, which is wild a little bit. So yeah, incline dumbbell is probably one.
If you want a strong chest, this is how you train it. Watch this. Upper chest. Entire chest.
Dumbbell laterals, and I've never really run the honest ox and the honest ox. I've literally seen him do...
Let's build shoulders that look strong from every angle. Watch this. Front delts. Side delts. Rear delts. Save this and come back stronger.
I'll never forget that moment. Hopefully I'm going to get there one day. But yeah, here I'm doing the seated pec deck, or the pec deck, whatever you want to call it, and you'll see I'm not going as far, just a little bit more careful on that, and here we go.
Want a bigger chest? These pec fly variations are the key. Save this and come back stronger.
Got some mandatory flex and post set. So lat pull downs and back is like, it just makes you look big in shirts, and it's one of the most important things. And for me,
your back isn't growing because you're using the same grip every time. Upper lats. Lower lats. Entire lats. Lower lats. Mid lats and lower lats. Save this and come back stronger.
It's not the fact that I just want to develop it really well, which I obviously do. It's the fact that it's why I'm pretty much hitting you with the...
Training traps or rear delts? Your elbows decide. Save this and come back stronger.
The insane amount of frequencies. So if you're natural, like frequencies, like one of the most important, a lot more like heavy compound work is like these are kind of isolation exercises. So
if your lats don't burn on cable rows, you already picked the wrong handle. Lats. Mid back. Upper back and rear delts. Save this and come back stronger.
So, yeah, here's just doing tricep push downs, kind of burning out a few sets, pretty much everything. So yeah, I'm just gonna play music for the rest of the video, and yeah.
If your triceps aren't burning, your push downs are wrong. Save this and come back stronger. You think you're training biceps, but you're not. Watch this. Save this and come back stronger. Glutes and hamstrings. Outer thighs. Quads, glutes and hamstrings. Mid-front thigh. Save this and come back stronger. Your foot position decides what muscles you actually hit. Here's how. Adductors. Vastus lateralis. Quads. Front quads. Glutes and hamstrings. Save this and come back stronger. This 1 foot rotation changes the entire leg extension. Watch closely. Toes out. Toes in. Toes up. Save this and come back stronger. Your feet placement controls your hamstring shape, not your weight. Wide stance. Narrow stance. Shoulder width stance. Save this and come back stronger.